YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, staying warm, especially in the East Coast. We got hit. Some of us got hit with the snow, but this will definitely help brighten your day. Bada boom. This is coming from Lytmi. This is a Neo Hdmi 2.0 sync box light kits. These are like really professional ambient lights. Super bright, super amazing. They got an app you can control, 4K support, app control, 0 latency, black bar, auto refill, and they got different sizes for your TV. I had, I think a 50-inch in my room. I'm not sure. I get confused, but 65 all the way up to 120. And like I said, there's an app for Alexa and Google Assistant, and you can use it for a
Google Assistant is an intelligent personal assistant developed by Google. The Google Assistant is an artificial
Alexa, cancel. And then you could do Google Play, Apple Store, and then the QRs. Like I said, this thing is like a professional home theater setup once you set it up. Super nice. This is definitely an elite item. Sync with movies, sync with music, and gaming. I got the Xbox going. And this is a HDMI sync box. That's a Neo, not the guy from Matrix, Keanu. But you get 2 RGB light strips, 4 corner brackets at the end of your TV, or the corners of your TV. Straight brackets for the middle. And then you get a HDMI 2.0 cable, a power adapter. And I'm going to hop over to my room. It's a little bit messy. Like I said, I've been setting this one up already, but everything's going good. But just like I said, the wires are all hanging out. So excuse my mess for a minute. Hopefully you won't notice the difference, but I'm telling you, these lights are amazing. So definitely add it to your wish list or buy them now. Alright guys, we'll be right back. Alrighty YouTubers, here we go. We got it all set up here. Looking good. All the way up. But yeah, these are amazing ambient lights. Super bright. See, I just got to cut just a little bit off. So, but I made it though. I don't know if you guys can see it. Got the hooks. Here's the box all hooked up. This is a Neo box right here. So set. But there's an app, like I said. I'm going to show you that in a second. But really cool. I like how these came out. Looks really good. Super bright. You can adjust the colors and everything. We'll just hop over here to the this one, and we'll show you guys. And it's cold outside, 22 degrees. I gotta update it. There it goes. Give it a second to load up. Here we go. So you can change the scene to fire. Add some fire. You can make it brighter. This is at 90%. Super bright. That is, turn that down a little bit. And the next one, come on. Fireworks. That's pretty cool. Star. Drip. This is called Particle. Really cool. This is a flow. Ball. Swing. Breathe. Peer. And then now you can just go to color. You got the color mode right there. Brightness and all those. You could choose different, like green, blue, and then video. Brighten it up a little more. Scene again, we already covered that. I think I got it. Yellow, orange, so like I said, my Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast and free shipping. Alright, YouTubers, and like I said, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, and yeah, this is definitely really nice. So, alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good night.